Monster High doll looks like. Her last name is Boogeyman. Tala Boogeyman. It's the same thing as Gigi, but with different, styles. That's hers, and this is hers.
Her little handbag,
Yeah.
her little clutch.
With
her pocketbook.
Yeah. Next to my sister. Here's what Tarlia what she looks like. Sorry if I get her name wrong. That's what she looks like. Look at her soccer bag and her little drink. I call it the monster shake. Monster shake, it's like hey. It's so hard. And her ball's in there. Now to my little sister. What's her name again? Orange Door.
Show the packet.
Just the one right there. Okay, it's called Spectra Fonder. We can't get her last name right. My dad can.
Spectra Fonder. I don't know. Something, I don't know. And she come with the little baggie, and she got, and this is just like a little spider web stuff.
Show it. You're going too fast. No. Right there.
It's like
she has silver, purple baggie, and inside we have her makeup palette. This is what the front looks like. And it has a little key thingy. And inside we have we have some eyeshadow, we have some blush, and we have some other eyeshadow.
Hold on.
And we have info. We have info, which is black, and it has Monster High logo on it. And we have a brush, and it has the Monster High logo, and it says Monster High. Next off,
You never showed the doll.
Wait. Okay. What makes the phone even cooler is it's halfway dead. It shows it right there on the side.
Hold on.
To the right. I think it's
Wait. We just barely had it. Okay.
Now you guys had it? Okay.
And Spectra, here's what my doll looks like. And Spectra has a dress on with little key things on it. Chains. And we have a little necklace. I don't know if you could see it.
Let me scoot it over here and I could. There you go.
And we have this little plastic.
Like a raincoat.
Yeah, raincoat. Plastic raincoat.
Turn her around this way. There you go.
And we have her pelt with a silver thing. And we have a little hat on. Right here. You could take it off. And we have a little bow. And she has gloves on. And that part right here, it's kind of see-through. And she got silver high heels.
Oh my gosh, it's see-through.
And her legs are see-through. And we have white skin color, and here's her makeup. And we have earrings. And her hair color is purple, and she got pink highlights.
Okay.
And now here to my big
She has
cool
hair like
sister.
Twilight. Okay, this is what I don't get. Because we watched the movie Haunted, And her hair's not short. It's like long, but not short. And this is part of the movie, just to give you like a little thing. She's like this. She made this thing up to make like Claudine like so embarrassed on special like block, and she typed it in. She like this. The part she's all itchy, and then she's like, this. The part's all she's like this. I've seen this before. She said it's sea fleas. She's like meow, sea fleas. She's like that. It was so funny. Yeah.
You know these little chains right here? The Red Lady. It was a movie. She was turning everybody into a ghost. She was taking Monster High, her school. All the ghosted to Monster High School to detention and detention chains like these.
Don't spoil it. Because they want to watch it.
Make sure to watch it because it's a good movie.
Yeah, and finally we have the little. We're not gonna open them. We think they're their diaries, like their diaries. So that's it for today.
Wait, I'm gonna show them mine. So
we have the cool watch I got from Claire's. Tells time, and I tricked my sisters that it's your thumbprint. But it was not actually the thumbprint.
We have this little book, and it says Spectra, her full name. And we have that girl, which she looks kind of pretty. And we have that girl. And we have I got that doll right there. And she's a ghost. That's why she's see-through. Let me take her a look because that's what her look. And I told you we have pink highlights. And this is the whole people. This is the one that my sister likes. And this is the one that my other sister likes. But she has it right there. No, it's a different one. But it looks like the twinsies. And we got this one, and I told you. I got that one. And that one. And it just has the Monster High logo. So bye!